Hi guys, this is Sewage from Inspire ID. Welcome to the part 3 of the home renovation at Yishun. What the house has already achieved, as you can guys see from the video, right? We have already pulled all the electrical wiring and all the false ceiling has already done up. Last time on the part 2 renovation, right? And I did mention that over here we did up a feature wall. Suddenly my customer changed our plan. We suddenly did up a half tiles and a half texture wall. This is how it's gonna look like. When people want to do up an entrance feature wall. It's one of the design that usually I will do up. Why? First thing, my customer want low maintenance and no dust and particles. So this is one of the design that I came up for my customer lah. We have a kitchen sink over here, then followed by a dishwasher, followed by a kitchen sink. Everything is aligned properly. This is how we run the water pipe and everything. You guys can see, everything will be concealed up by the partition. Basically, when I do up the explanation, right, I really tend to let customer know how we usually will run the gas, how we usually run the water pipe, and how the electrical wiring looks like. So basically, this is all the wiring for my main kitchen. So all this have to double confirm with your client before we pull the actual thing up. By then, we already finalized that how the whole kitchen will look like lah. So this is some of the things that you guys can look into, all the wiring, everything. Okay, come, let's go towards the main living hall. So basically, this is some of the design that I have already stated up. All the measurement, everything has been stated here. So my partition contractor will roughly know what I'm trying to achieve lah. So this area, right? Actually, I will be doing up a glass block design. So this is also a very last minute decision that was made by the client lah. So you guys can look forward on how I gonna elevate this place, make it more nicer, please. We also did up a fan curve design for you guys. You guys can actually see lah. Let's talk about the master bedroom. So not only this, this will be the place whereby they will be doing up the full height cabinet. Okay, it's wall to wall. I will be installing a sensor LED whereby, you know, when you open up the cabinet, right, they will switch on the LED profiling. So this is one of the options that homeowner can opt for. What I did for these places, customer told me that they want to build in a bathtub. As you guys can see, the bathtub is this type, okay? It's a built-in, then there's an access panel over here, whereby next time if there is any choking issue, my plumber can access the issue directly from here. Okay, so I also did up a full height wall with tiling, 2 niche for my customer, whereby they can put some stuff over here and their towel. I also did up a niche over here, so you know, whereby they are bathing, right, they can access their shower, shampoo, everything over here. Okay, in HDB Resale, there's always this issue that we always commonly face in toilet is this thing. So there's only 2 things that you guys can do. First thing is, you can either box up this area, which I don't really like to box up lah, cause in the next time if there's any issue, you guys have to access to the sewage pipe lah. So for me, what I usually will recommend my customer, cause my customer want it to be low maintenance, what I really recommend my customer is to paint it over. Paint the full sewage pipe based on the wall color of this. This is one of the cost-effective way to save cost, and not only this, it's also make the whole toilet look much more aesthetic. Last but not least, I also want to emphasize that instead of you guys intending to do a normal 3x7 feet door, right? You guys can actually do up a arch door frame with an arch door or a French door. Okay, this is also one of the way that you guys can make the whole place look nicer. Okay, you guys can look forward for the final part of the home renovation of this 5-room Yishun flat.
Inspired ID Group, live better with Inspire.